What's going on, people? Back with another video. As you can see by the caption, it's another little project, another little thing to do on the Kswap. Today we have got the carpet. Now, I was looking online to see if I should invest in a carpet and buy one, but the issue with that was that where the pre-cuts are, it wouldn't fit properly. A friend of mine has actually bought one before, so he recommended me to just try to save the old carpet. Now you can clearly see the state of this carpet. Obviously it's quite an old car and we can't just go to Honda and buy one of these carpets. So I thought I'd make a quick short little video and show you what I'm going to be doing to it, just to try and recover it a bit and tidy it up a bit and make sure it looks a little bit nice, because I am going to be running carpet. Apologies for the sound, might not be the greatest, as I'm just making a quick video, and I thought I'd just show you as well what products I'm going to be using. So first of all, we are going to be using a stain remover carpet cleaner, and everything that's been bought today has been done under £20. So this was bought from a local Tesco's. This cost me £2.95, so round that up to £3. It's a stain remover. I've heard some good stuff about it, so I'm going to check that out. Next, I've got 9 cans of this, which I bought from Amazon. Cost me around about £17. It's only 200 ml, so I bought 9 of them just to cover the entire space. If I do need more, I will be getting more as well. Obviously jet wash, very liquid, with a bristle brush in there just to try to agitate the stains out. So step 1 would be that's obviously in there with hot water as well, so that's just to pick the fibers back up, which over the years what's happened is, as you can see, the fibers have pretty much died and flattened out. So the hot water, what it will do, it will agitate the dirt from the bottom and pick it up. That's what I've been told, so let's try it out. Obviously you can see I've had to cut the EG carpet from the top, where this would be where the dashboard is, so I can get it out in one piece. But yeah, so the first step what we're going to do is we're going to agitate it with a hot water and a brush, take as much as we can out. It's just literally got a little bit of fairy liquid in there, just so it's so it will help. Then we're going to hit it with the stain remover, then we're going to jet wash it off again, and we're going to wait and leave it out in the sun and dry it out. I should have been at UFC this weekend at Santa Pod, but obviously plans changed, so I thought I'd quickly get this done over today and hopefully spray it tomorrow. So I will give me a second. I will start off with this. Not going to bore you too long, it's going to be a short video. I would like if you could like, subscribe and share the video. It could be beneficial to someone else, and I'll see you to the next clip. Alright guys, so we've had the stain remover on it. It's been jet washed, it's been scrubbed down. Not everything has come off, but we're going to allow it some time to dry. Once it's dried, then we are going to prep it to be sprayed. See you in a bit. So we're back, and this is the result after 9 cans. Now you can clearly see it hasn't taken all the marks off, but it's a lot different than what it was looking like before. I'm not too sure if 9 cans was enough, so I have ordered an additional 6, which has taken it up to, I'd say, £32 in total, so £12 for the additional cans. Overall, it's a bit splodgy. I'm not too sure if I want to leave it like this or if I'm going to get some dye, but it's a lot of improvement from before, I will say. So yeah, let's see how I get on. Wait till the next clip. Okay guys, quick one. I thought I'd just show you the end result whilst it's in the car. Apologies, it is quite of a state at the moment, but that's building cars and that's what happens. So purpose of this video is don't waste your time on spray cans because they come out patchy and the final result is not as clean as this. Thumbs down for the can, thumbs up for RIT, the RIT bottle. You can grab it from Amazon, it's about £8. I used 2 bottles and the result came out like this. Looks awesome, I'm happy with it. Thumbs up from me. Hope the video helps. Don't waste your time on aerosol cans and definitely buy the dye. Put it in a pressure washer, which is one of them bottles that you pump from the top, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked the video, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.